My hair feels very dry and brittle. Let's go ahead and fix this up real fast. I'm going to share with you one of the recipes you can use to moisturize your hair to keep it growing. We are going to simply need a jar for this, and we are going to use some herbs, alright, because herbs is very essential for hair growth. If herbs does not grow hair, then why do products we buy in the market also have herbs? Why? So our first ingredients will be fenugreek. If you've been on the internet, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, name it, then you will know what fenugreek is and what it does to the hair. Fenugreek is one of the most effective herbs you can use for your hair growth. I'm not even trying to hype these herbs, but this is really good for your hair. The next ingredients will be moringa. This is like a powerhouse for hair growth. I am not going to dive deep into the benefit of these herbs, because if you've been on the internet, you should know by now the benefit of each herb. If you don't know, then I just want you to know that these herbs are very beneficial to your hair. Do not sleep on it. Do not listen to anybody that is trying to tell you that herbs also grow hair. Of course, nobody is saying that literally herbs grow hair, but herbs create a good environment, a healthy environment for your hair to grow. When you have healthy environment, then your hair is not growing. If there's something wrong with the environments where your hair grows out from, your hair will definitely not grow. Be all same. Herbs will help you handle the environment where your hair grows out from to make your hair grow faster. All right. Our next ingredient is rosemary, the almighty rosemary. If you have fresh one, good. If you have dry one, good. They all do the same thing. These herbs have been used by millions of people to grow out their hair. So I am not about to start introducing it to you. You already know what it does. You have already experienced it. So everything I put together here has been proven to help grow out your hair. For those of you who have watched the previous video, you will notice that I started doing this orange leaf moisturizer on my hair, orange leaf water. I started using it on my hair, but I want you guys to know that as I started using it, 2 days into the challenge, I noticed that my hair was feeling extremely dry, and I knew what that could result to. So I decided to just take a break and use the regular herbs that I've been using to moisturize my hair to see if there's actually a difference before I can decide whether I want to continue with the challenge or not. So please bear with me. That aside, I just poured in some hot water into this. We are going to infuse it like we usually do on this channel. We are going to infuse it. I'm not going to boil anything. I'm just going to leave this to infuse till the following day. So this is what it is. This is what came out after the following day. It has properly infused. As you can see, the fenugreek has doubled in size. Now let's go ahead and strain the mixture. This could be very tricky because of the moringa we use. It is in a powder form, so there's a greater chances that there will be particles inside this if you don't properly strain it. So please keep watching, because I'm still going to show you the particles that came out of it even after straining. So you need to do this over and over again until the particles are all gone. Right now, before I noticed that there was particle, I already started pouring it inside, but I realized that there was still particles inside this, so I needed to get rid of it because I don't want to have particles on my hair. This is the things that cause the most buildup in your hair. Particles from the herbs you use to moisturize your hair cause the most buildup on your hair, and we do not want that. We do not want to clog the pore where the hair comes out from. So I'm going to go ahead to strain it, but before I did that, I already folded the cheesecloth into multiple times. So as you can see, this is what came out. It still has particles, but you can see what came out after I strained the first one. So it is important that you do this as much time as possible to be able to get out all the herbs that is still inside. All right, so now I'm going to transfer it into my spray bottle, and I'll go ahead and show you how I use this on my hair. Please feel free to add any essential oils of your choice. This spray is already stimulating on the scalp because of the rosemary we use, so you can feel free to skip the essential oil, okay? So we are good to go. Right now, this is me just spraying it into my hair. The reason I do a lot of DIY on my channel is to give people options to choose from. If this does not work for you, you can try something else. So when I woke up, I found out that my hair was feeling extremely dry. I'll be doing myself more harm than good if I should continue with the experiment when I know obviously that this is making my hair really dry and is definitely going to cause breakage for me. I decided to take a break from it and use something my hair already loves. So hope you guys understand. So basically, I'm just spraying this into my hair, my scalp, and the whole length of my hair, because this is actually good for your scalp and the length of your hair, and also because that is where I need it the most. The length of my hair feels so dry, like a desert. So having said that, I'm just going to tell you the benefit of combining these three herbs together. Fenugreek, moringa, rosemary are powerhouse combination for hair growth. When used together, they offer a blend of nutrients and bioactive compounds that can help with hair growth, strength, and healthy scalp. Fenugreek is rich in proteins and nicotinic acid, which promotes healthy hair growth and strengthens the hair follicles, while moringa contains zinc, iron, vitamin A, which are nutrients essential for healthy hair growth. Rosemary improves blood circulation to the scalp, stimulating dormant hair follicles and encouraging hair growth. The antioxidant properties in moringa and rosemary reduce oxidative stress on the scalp, which is a major cause of hair loss. Fenugreek helps balance hormones and reduce shedding. Moringa is loaded with amino acids and vitamin C, E, and B complex that nourishes the scalp and hair shaft. Fenugreek provides deep conditioning, making hair smoother and softer. Rosemary strengthens the hair by improving follicle functions. Rosemary also contains antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help keep the scalp clean and dandruff-free. Fenugreek contains lecithin, which soothes dryness and itchy scalp, while moringa calms irritated scalp. With their individual benefits, it is obvious that these herbs really help you with your hair growth. Combining three of them, we produce a powerful blend for your hair. Your hair cannot resist this, okay? Try this. Let me know if you're going to try it on the comment section. Try it and I'll really, really appreciate your feedback. Herbs really work. Like, if you ask me, I'm not going to lie to you. I am not making this video because I want you to watch or for me to get views. That is not the reason why I'm making it. I am making it because it's something that I have used over the years, and I am not the only one using it. A lot of people have been using it and they can tell you that it works. If it doesn't work for you, doesn't necessarily mean it does not work for others. I need you guys to understand that hair does not grow easily. Like, hair really takes time to grow. It will take you years, it will take you months, it will take you forever for your hair to grow. And you know, with fussy hair, your hair can be growing, but you will not notice it until you actually stretch out your hair. There is no how your hair is not growing, okay? The reason why it seems like your hair is not growing is because you're not doing what you're supposed to do to maintain the length. So yes, your hair is always growing. In my next video, I will dive into why it seems your hair is not growing, especially fussy hair, because I have heard a lot of people say, my hair is not growing, my hair has been stuck on the same length for years. Like, how do you know your hair is not growing? Are you sick? Like, is there something wrong with you? Because if you're healthy, if there's nothing wrong with you, then your hair is obviously growing. The reason it seems like you're not seeing length is because it is breaking at the same length it is growing. Like your hair grows out and then it breaks, it grows and then it breaks. So how then do you want to see the length when it keeps breaking? So in my next video, I'm going to talk more on that. This spray bottle makes my job so easy. Like sometimes I just like need to set it in a continuous spray. Like you just press it once and the thing will just like it will spray all over your hair. So it makes the work really easy. Like if I start spraying my hair, to be as if I shouldn't stop. So if you haven't gotten this spray bottle, please look for it because it really a relief for you when you're trying to moisturize your hair. Also, the recipes I told you guys previously on my last video, I still have it. If you're still interested with the recipe book, like DIY recipe, it contains 90 different DIY recipes that you can try at home for hair. All right. So if you're interested, just comment, I'm interested, and to get yourself one. All right. Like I said before, hair growth is not that difficult. Like you don't need to buy the entire beauty store. You don't need to buy all the hair growth products in the market. You basically need only 5 products for your hair to start growing, which consists of shampoo, leave-in conditioner, a deep conditioner, an oil, and of course a butter. All right, that is the only thing you need, and your hair will start growing. So you don't need to break the bank just because you're trying to grow out your hair. Now take a look at my hair. Can't you see it's so juicy? Like my hair is feeling so moisturized. As you can see, this hair is even up to 2 weeks, and you can see it has started growing out. Like I told you, these things work. All right, just try it for yourself. Just try it. And we have finally come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I would love to see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. See you in my next upload. Bye bye.